Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas. I am so excited to be participating in Vlogmas this year. I will be bringing you videos every day from December 1st to December 25th. Yes, every single day. Make sure that you are subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of these videos. Let's get into it. Welcome to day 11 of Vlogmas. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to transfer my hair from this to this using products from Uncle Funky's daughter. Stay tuned. So I have started out with washing my hair. I used the Squeaky Clarifying Cleanser. And then I followed that up with Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. So after I washed and deep conditioned my hair, I put it in 2 flat twists, and I've been wearing these flat twists honestly for about 3 days under my headband wig. So we are going to take these flat twists down and transform this hair. So let me show you what products I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to be using Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer and Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. I'm gonna be using these 2 products to style this hair, so let's get into it. Okay, so I was trying to decide how I wanted to style this perm rod set, and I decided to do some flat twists on the side. So I've already done 2. I'm gonna show you this one, and then we're gonna add some accessories to the end, and then we're going to perm rod this side. So I have went in on this section with Thirsty Curls and also with my Super Curl Cream. And then I went in with a little bit of edge control just to make sure that my flat twists were nice and sleek. So I parted this section. Just going to take a piece in the front, split that in half, and then I'm going to just start twisting and grabbing hair as I'm going down. Down to the end, just doing a regular 2-strand twist. Now, if you know how to braid, you can braid, but I don't know how to French braid, so flat twist it is. And if you don't know how to braid or flat twist, then you can just do the connecting ponytails, and that'll give you the same effect. Swirl the ends, and this is what the first 3 flat twists are looking like. I'm gonna do this last one, and then we're gonna start rolling. Stay tuned. Okay, so the flat twists are done. Still have to decide if I wanna do beads at the end or if I just want to do some little, the little gold tubing. We'll decide on that later, but let's get started on rolling. So we are doing a perm rod set, jumbo perm rod set, using the orange perm rods. And we're making this a quick, easy, simple holiday style, so we're not gonna do a lot. So we are going to go in decent sized sections. So let me just pin these flat twists over to the side. And I'm gonna go in with my finger and part off the first section in the back. Again, this is a quick, simple, easy holiday style, so we are not going to be working in small sections. So pin this out the way. And we're going to start on this back section. We're going to do this in two. So we're going to go in with our Thirsty Curls leave-in conditioner. And then go in with Super Curl. Make sure our hair is nice and moisturized. And then we're gonna go in and detangle. Starting from the ends and working our way up. So once that section is detangled, I'm just going to split it in half. Making sure it's completely detangled. Making sure the hair is smooth. Grab my rod and I'm gonna smooth it down the end. And then I'm just rolling my way up. And once I get to the top, do a little turn and secure it in place. So do the same thing to this next section in the back, making sure it's completely detangled. Grab the perm rod, pull it all the way to the end, and then just roll it going up. Once we get to the top, twirl it one time, and close the rod. So we're just gonna keep rolling and we'll be back. Okay, we have finished rolling and flat twisting. Still trying to decide what I want to do to the bottom. I wanna ball it up into like a little bantu knot, or if I wanna leave it hanging down with beads. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes to dry these rollers and decide what we're gonna do with this side. So I'll be back, stay tuned. Okay, so my hair is dry and I decided to do a little bantu knot in the back and added some little accessories. So now we're ready to take these rods out and slay this holiday style. Go. Beautiful curl. Now it's not feeling wet, but I feel like I might want to go back under the dryer for a little bit. So I'm gonna go back under the dryer to make sure that these curls are fully set, because the worst thing you can do is take down a twist out or a roller set when it's not ready. We're not trying to do that. So let's go back under the dryer and we'll be back. Okay, so I had to go in and make sure that my hair was fully dry. So this is the first curl and I'm loving it. So let's take down another one and see if we get the same effect. Okay, Uncle Funky's daughter. Hair, cream, hair butter, perm rod set, no mousse, no gel, no foam. So all the curls are looking good so far. Gonna take the rest down and we'll be back to separate. Okay, so we are ready for the takedown. I went ahead and took down the first curl just to make sure that it was dry. So I'm just going to separate where the curls want to separate. Don't want to do too much because I want this style to last. And as you can see, the curls are looking good. They are shiny, moisturized, bouncy. So I'm gonna finish separated and I'll be back with the final look. Stay tuned. Back with the final look. Definitely loving my results. Look at these curls. The shine, the moisture, the definition. Uncle Funky's daughter came through. And my little flat twist on the side. I'll give you a 360. Definitely loving this look. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this look. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I'm enjoying this style. Again, the products that we used are Thirsty Curls, Leave-In Conditioner from Uncle Funky's Daughter, and Super Curl Cream. This duo is definitely a winner. Simple, quick, easy style. I literally used 13 perm rods. That's it. This style took absolutely no time. Perfect for the holidays. Let me know in the comment section if you would try this style. Again, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.